Now we will do some questions that is related to arithmetic mean between the two terms. The question is insert three arithmetic means between 2 and 19. Right? The two terms are that is 3 and 19, and we have to insert three arithmetic means between them, that is A1, A2 and A3. You know that this sequence is in AP. Because of this, first of all, we have to find the difference of this AP. You know already the number of terms in this sequence is 5, but the last term is given 19 and first term is 3, and we have to find D. To find D, we have to use the formula that is L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. L is 19, first term is given 3 plus number of terms is 5, that is 5 minus 1 into D. Therefore, D is equal to 19 minus 3 upon 4, it becomes 4. This is the difference of this AP. But we have to find A1, A2, A3. Because of this, you know already A1 is the second terms of this AP. Therefore, A1 is equal to first term plus D. But in this question, the first term is given 3 and difference we have already find, that is 4. Therefore, the second terms will be 7. The two terms are 3 and 19, and in between them, we have to insert A1, A2, A3. This sequence is in AP. Because of this, first of all, we have to find the difference of this sequence. The last term of sequence is given L. L is equal to 19. First term is 3 and n is given 5. 5 minus 1 into D. Therefore, D is equal to 4. Then A1 is the second terms of this sequence. Because of this, A1 is equal to A plus D. But A is given 3 and difference is 4. Therefore, A1 becomes 7. Again, A2 is equal to A plus 2D. Then A is 3 up plus 2 into 4. It becomes 11. A3 is, this is A plus 3D. Then A is 3 and D is 4. Because of this, it becomes 15. These are the three terms in between 3 and 19, that is 7, 11 and 15. This is the main applications of an arithmetic mean between the two terms. Using this, you can find any numbers in between the two terms that will form an AP. Now we will do the second question that is related to arithmetic mean of AP. It means arithmetic mean between the two terms. The question is between 1 and 31. This is the first number and this one is the second number. Are inserted m arithmetic means so that the ratio of the seventh and m minus 1th means is 5:9. Find the value of m. It means in questions 1 and 31, these are the two numbers. In between them, we have to insert m arithmetic mean, that is A1, A2, that is A3, and up to last term, that is AM. This is the mth arithmetic mean between 1 and 31. You know already this sequence is in AP. Because of this, in this AP, the last term is 31 and first term is 1. We have to find the common difference between the two terms. To find this, we have to use the formula L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. But L, that is 31. A, this is 1. A plus number of terms m plus 2. M arithmetic means, and these are the two terms, then it becomes m plus 2 terms minus 1 into, therefore, D is equal to 31 minus 1, it becomes 30 divided by m plus 1. This is the difference between the two terms. But we have to find 7th arithmetic mean and m minus 1th arithmetic mean. You know already A1 is the second terms. Therefore, A1 is equal to A plus D. A plus D. It means A is 1 and D is 30 by m plus 1. This is A1. It means A1 is A plus D. A2 is A plus 2D. Here A2, that is A plus 2D. If you put D is equal to 30 by m plus 1 here, in that case you can get A2. But we have to find A7. Because of this, A7 is equal to A plus same at D. A is 1, 7 into D is given 30 upon M plus 1. This is A7. Again, we have to find M minus 1th mean. Because of this, AM minus 1 is equal to A plus. Similarly, you can find the M minus 1th mean, that is A plus M minus 1 into D. It means A1 M minus 1 into D is 30 upon M plus. This is AM minus 1. But in questions, the ratio of A7 upon AM minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 9. A7 upon AM minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 9. But A7 is given 1 plus 7 into 30 upon M plus 1. That is 1 plus 210 upon M plus 1. And AM minus 1 is given 1 plus M minus 1 into 30 upon M plus 1. Now we put these two values here. In that case, we get A7, that is 1 plus 210 upon M plus 1, and AM minus 1, 30 into M minus 1 upon M plus 1. This is equal to 5 by 9. To solve this, we just cross multiply here. It becomes M plus 1 plus 210 divided by M plus 1 plus 30 into M minus 1. That is 5 upon 9. Now you cross multiply here. In that case, you get 9M plus 9 plus 210 into 9 is equal to 5 into M plus 1 or plus 30 into 5 into M minus 1. If you solve this, in that case, you can get the value of M is equal to 14. This is the method to find the value of M. Because you know already, A7 upon AM minus 1 is equal to 5 by 9. Now, we just cross multiply here. In that case, we get M plus 1 plus 210 upon M plus 1 plus 30 into M minus 1 is equal to 5 by 9. By solving this portion, we get M is equal to 14.